You're watching TV9 Digital. I am Adarsh Vepachedu. Pharma major Pfizer has decided to withdraw its application for EUA or Emergency Use Authorization of its COVID-19 vaccine right here in India. What does it mean? Well, this decision essentially means that the Pfizer vaccine will not be available for sale in India and also in China, as both the countries are looking at running their vaccination program using other vaccines. Looking back, Pfizer was the first pharmaceutical company to seek an emergency use authorization around 2 months ago from the DCGI, or the Drugs Controller General of India. Pfizer did this after securing a clearance in the United Kingdom and Bahrain. Now, this brings us to the question, why did Pfizer pull out? There are at least a couple of reasons for the same. Number one, Pfizer had participated in the subject expert committee meeting called by the Drug Regulatory Authority of India on the 3rd of February. A spokesperson of Pfizer has said that India's drug regulator needed more information and hence the withdrawal of EUA application. At this point, it is not clear as to what additional information was sought from Pfizer. However, Pfizer in a statement has said that the company will continue to engage with the drug regulator and resubmit its approval request with additional information as it becomes available in the near future. Point number two, India's Central Drug Standard Control Organization, or the CDSCO, has said that Pfizer officials did not turn up for meetings after the company's application was made in early December. Point number three, Pfizer wanted approval of its vaccine without a small local trial on the vaccine safety and immunogenicity for Indians, and the proposal was rejected by the drug regulator. Pfizer on its part said that its application is supported by data from a global study that shows an overall efficacy rate of 95% with no vaccine-related serious safety concerns. It is also worth mentioning here that provisions under India's Clinical Trial Rules 2019 allow the firm to seek an approval with waivers on local testing, as Pfizer in this case had received an approval in a different country whose regulatory authority is recognized by CDSCO as valid for such waivers. Point number four. The committee noted that incidents of palsy, anaphylaxis and other SCAs have been reported during post-marketing, and the casualty of the events with the vaccine is being investigated right now. I must also mention here that India, which is the world's biggest vaccine maker, says it is mainly relying on shots already approved or tested at home to run its massive immunization campaign that began on the 16th of January. India has already approved 2 much cheaper shots, one from Oxford University AstraZeneca and another developed at home by Bharat Biotech with the ICMR. And yes, India is also likely to grant emergency use authorization to another coronavirus vaccine, Russia's Sputnik 5, this month or the next. Local company Dr. Reddy's Laboratories is conducting trials for Sputnik 5 vaccine. Do share your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you've liked the content that I've presented, make sure you like and share this video, and yes, subscribe to TV9 News on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.